Yo ninjas, I'm Kaio, and today I'm gonna teach you the AIRFLARE. I already made 2 tutorials or even more about the AIRFLARE, but still many people are asking for it, so I'm gonna try to make a simpler tutorial where I'm gonna show you just the basics to do AIRFLARE and the exercises that you really require. Not so many explanation because I already explained in the other tutorials. I'm gonna leave the links in the description below, and just let's start. So, for the AIRFLARE, you need, first thing, this movement. I don't know how is it called, but it's kind of like a cartwheel. If you spin clockwise, like me, you should start with the left hand. So you should learn the cartwheel with the left hand first, like this. Then, this movement, it's kind of like the cartwheel, but you spin, instead of going straight like this, you go into a circle. So try to do a cartwheel in this direction. And then try to spin more, like this. Repeat this exercise more and more, like 10 times or even more, to get comfortable. The second thing that you learn, that you are gonna require, is the power freeze with your jumping hand. By jumping hand, I mean the hand that you're gonna use before the jump. So in my case, the right arm, because I'm gonna jump from the right to the left. You're gonna need the power freeze, this, with this arm to get comfortable in this position. So you can start and try to go on the power freeze. Start and go to the power freeze. Like this. The third thing that you require is the power freeze on the left end, the landing arm. In my case, it's the left. So the same thing, but with the left, like this. Because you have to get comfortable on landing on the arm. If you learn few hand-ups on both sides, it's even better. So even just one hand-up on this side and one on this other side. So you learn how to jump off from the right hand and how to land on the left. You can do the AIRFLARE in many different techniques, but this is the basics. I'm not going to explain every technique because it's too long and I already made the tutorials. The description, you can check them, and this is basically it. So, how to do the AIRFLARE. Start like this, go to the power freeze, then the right leg should kick down like this and should be as close to the floor as possible. This is the basic technique. So, kick. Look again to my right leg, look. Kick. You see, it goes down and then up. Meanwhile, the left leg should be close to you, like this. So not like this, not like this, but like this. Kind of like a power freeze or L kick, like this. So, kick with the right, but the left should be close to you. If you can already do this, actually you can already do the AIRFLARE, because this is the main thing about the AIRFLARE. Kicking with the right and pushing your left towards you. Kind of like a hand up. Then, when you jump, your hips should go up, like this. If you can do some tricks, like for example, I don't know, elbow to hand, like this, you notice that my hips goes up, my legs and my hips at the same time. For the AIRFLARE is the same. When you are on the right, your hip is a little bit lower. When you jump, your hips should do like this, at the same time with your legs. So, kick this leg towards you, kick this leg up, and kick and push your hip up at the same time. So from this position, you don't have to land like this, but you have to land higher, like this, with your hips up. And when you land on your left arm, try to do an air freeze or L kick to maintain the position. Kind of like that. Now you can do one round. To learn more rounds, Just practice one round until it's very clean. And practice one round to flare or to windmill or to swipes or to elbow truck if you can. Practice as more as you can. And then when you master it, try to do 2 rounds. At the beginning, the second round can be a little bit lower, maybe like this. Kind of like that, and you will fall. But that's okay, it's normal. Just keep practicing and the round will get higher and higher. For me it was the same. When I learned more rounds of AIRFLARE, the first round was okay, but then the second was lower and lower. And just keep practicing and keep practicing the AIRFLARE from the combos like flare to AIRFLARE to flare again, or windmill to AIRFLARE to windmill again, or to flare. Practice the combos and practice one round to the combos and then learn more rounds. And that's it. If you want, you can check my merch in the description also. Check the other tutorials that I made a long time ago already. Merch, everything. If you have some questions, leave me in the comments below. And see you in the next video. Yo, ninjas!